Are your AirPods third generation acting up, maybe not connecting properly, or just generally misbehaving? Let's get them working flawlessly by resetting them. First, place both of your AirPods into their charging case and close the lid. This is key to ensuring the reset will work. Next, open the lid of the charging case. Locate the setup button on the back of the case. It's a small, circular button. Keep the charging case lid open and hold down that setup button for about 15 seconds. You'll need to hold it down until the status light on the front of the case starts flashing amber or white. This flashing indicates that the reset is in progress. Once the light flashes amber then changes to white, you can release the button. Finally, with your AirPods reset, they're essentially back to factory settings. You'll need to repair them with your iPhone or other devices. Open your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. Your AirPods should appear listed. Simply tap on Connect or similar to pair them again and hopefully resolve any issues you've been experiencing, and that's it. Your AirPods third generation should now be working perfectly.